Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, today we're gonna make something really quick, really delicious, and plant-based. We're gonna make these mushroom empanadas. You wanna see how we make them? Just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have our empanada wrappers, some garlic paste, Tony's Creole seasoning, black pepper, complete seasoning, garlic powder, a half of a medium onion, cilantro, and a mix of white button and cremini mushrooms. First thing you want to do is cut up your mushrooms, onions, and cilantro. Now, I do use the stems of the mushroom for the white button. I take off a little bit at the bottom of it, the hard piece, and then I kind of slice them lengthwise. And I do make sure to use all of the mushroom. As far as the creminis, I don't typically use the stems aren't that long, so I just kind of take those off. Once you have all your ingredients cut up, you're going to go ahead and get you some vegetable oil spray, spray a nice non-stick pan, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our mushrooms. So we're going to let our mushrooms go for a little bit, and then we're going to add in our onions. You can actually add it all in at the same time, or you can do your onions first, but as long as your onions are sliced pretty small, they should be fine. So I diced them up pretty small so it all can cook together. The cooking time didn't vary too much between the two. If you decide to chop them up bigger, then obviously you should put your onions in first. Mushrooms don't take long to cook. Then we're going to season, and we're going to go ahead and add in our cilantro last. So we seasoned with the garlic pepper, the garlic powder, black pepper, Tony's Creole seasoning, and complete seasoning. So you're going to season to your liking, taste it as you go to make sure that the flavor is where you want it to be. Add in your cilantro. This process is really quick. The mushrooms don't take long at all. Make sure you add your cilantro in last because it doesn't really need to cook. You're just adding that nice herby flavor. If you don't like cilantro, be my guest and leave it out, but it does bring this recipe a nice extra pop or a nice freshness to it. So once your filling is complete, you can set that off in a side in a bowl just like I have here and allow it to cool. And then you're going to set up your station to get your empanadas filled. I do have a couple other empanada videos on my channel. I'll link those above so that you can check those out. But the process is pretty much the same. So we're going to stretch the dough and then add about 2 tablespoons of your filling. We're going to press it closed, and then we're just going to seal both sides with a fork. Alright, so once you have all of your empanadas ready to go, I'll just use the plastic separators to keep them from sticking to one another. We're going to go ahead and get us some nice vegetable oil hot and ready, and we're going to fry these beautiful, delicious empanadas until they are a nice, crispy golden brown. We're going to drain them on a wire rack or some paper towels if you don't have a wire rack, and just fry them up in batches, and then you'll be all set. And this is what they look like once they are nice and done. And that's it, guys. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you try this recipe. Come back and tell me. You can add vegan cheese if you want. If you're not plant-based, you can add regular cheese. Sometimes I add spinach. You can just kind of make this your own. But these are absolutely delicious. And I think I made about 9 of them, and they were gone in one day. So that should tell you right there how delicious they are. Meat lovers even love them. They're so good. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you try the recipe. Come back, let me know, leave a comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.